In today's video, which is my final video in my 5-part tropical boho home decor set series, I start with a glass vase from the dollar store, and I'm just going to wrap that vase in twine. For step 2, I'm just going to be taking some twine that I braided together to make a handle and gluing it to the vase. For step 3, I'm just going to be covering up a mistake that I made, which was making one side of my handle shorter than the other. So I'm going to start by wrapping twine from the bottom until I can no longer see the imperfection of the one side of the handles being shorter than the other. For step 4, I'm going to be taking some black acrylic paint and painting the bottom of the vase that I just finished wrapping to hide one handle being shorter than the other, and then I'm going to take that same paint and paint one small thin line along the perimeter of the opening of the vase. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. If you missed out on the other parts of this tropical boho home decor set series, be sure to check the description box below for the links. I hope to see you back here for some more home decor DIY inspiration. Be sure to subscribe.